This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. Annual rental, bright, cheerful, immaculate and nicely furnished. Featuring an open floor plan with a great room and split bedrooms. Walk to the community clubhouse to enjoy the amazing resort-style amenities which include a lagoon-style pool, restaurant, state-of-the-art fitness room, paddle boating, canoeing, kayaking, etc. Play bocce or tennis, ride your bikes or jog along the mini paths. Sit and relax on your lanai while enjoying the lake and fountain view. This home is only a short drive to Marco Island or downtown Naples 5th Avenue for fabulous dining, entertainment, shopping and white sand beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.